Alright, YouTube, we have a leak that it was coming from the air conditioning. That's the air conditioning on RV, on an RV. This is very common. You know, this part, it gets very soft. It goes, like the air conditioning is very heavy, so it push everything down. So at the end, you need to like make this part all over around stronger, put like extra wood, like in this case is no wood at all. We have wood right here, we have wood right over here. Sorry, but we don't have wood on this side. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna clean, we're gonna scrap all this surface. We're gonna scrap it, then we're gonna use thinner to clean it. So I'm just gonna start scraping this. Alright, I'm just gonna scrap more. I'm gonna pause the video, then I'm gonna clean with thinner. Alright, now we're gonna apply thinner all over around. In our rack. Alright. Alright, that's good. Okay. Then apply all-purpose silicone. You can get this in any Home Depot. Alright. So I'm gonna apply this all over around. Alright. I think I gotta open this. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video, I'm gonna open this. All right. Okay. And now this is a piece of plastic, any plastic that you're gonna find, you know, I make a little bit bigger than the hole. This plastic, it was belong to a sign. All right, just place it right there. With your finger, you know, go all over around. All right. Next step is going to be the tape, the Ultra Bond tape. Let me see if I have. This is the Ultra Bond tape. You just place the tape all over around, cut it in half, and I'm gonna see if I can show you how do I put it. I'm gonna put the tape on it. All right, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna cut the tape in half. That tape right here. Okay, this tape, I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna start to put everything around, and that's it. We're done. All right, so just place the tape right there to see how much you need to cut it. So I'm gonna cut it up to here, then I'm gonna cut it in half to use, in two sides, to use less tape. This tape is not very expensive, it's like $24, but we don't need to use the whole amount of tape. It's up to you if you guys want to do it. All right, I just put one side of the tape. So I'm going to use the other half. It's right here. Just going to put it right here. I need my two hands, so I'm just going to pause the video. And the final product is gonna look like this one right here. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video is gonna help anybody or somebody around. Have a great day. Keep safe.